class, we are going to read our science reader about the ladybug life cycle today. Hope you enjoyed watching the life cycle and the videos yesterday. All right, chapter 1, all about ladybugs. What is tiny, shiny, and dressed in a spotted coat? A ladybug. Ladybugs are not all ladies. They can be male or female. Ladybugs are insects. They are part of a group of insects called beetles. Ladybug parts. Antenna, head, leg, spot, and hard wings. These are their soft wings, which are inside of their hard wings. Ladybugs have 6 legs and 2 pairs of wings. One pair of wings is hard. They protect another pair of wings that are fragile and used for flying. Do you guys know what fragile means? Can you think of anything else that you would describe as fragile? I was thinking of my mom's favorite teacup. Pretty fragile. If I dropped it, it would break. Ladybugs use their antennae to feel, smell, and taste. But ladybugs do not begin their lives looking this way at all. Read on to learn about the life cycle of this incredible bug. Eggs to larva. A ladybug starts life inside of an egg. Females lay eggs on leaves. The eggs look like teeny yellow jelly beans. One ladybug can lay 1,000 eggs during her lifetime. It's a lot of eggs. A few days later, the eggs hatch and out crawl tiny little creatures. These are ladybug larvae. Munch, munch. They are so hungry they eat their own eggshells. Ladybugs lay their eggs in the springtime. So we might find ladybug eggs soon. The job of a larva is to eat, eat, eat. Its favorite food is a tiny bug called an aphid. A larva can eat 25 aphids in one day. An aphid looks like this close up. All that eating makes the larva grow and grow. It may not look like a ladybug yet, but just wait. Something amazing is about to happen. A larva grows to be about this big. Pupa to little ladybug. After a few weeks, the larva stops moving and attaches itself to a leaf. Then it turns into something called a pupa. A pupa is like a wrapped up present. Female ladybugs are bigger than male ladybugs. Guess what happens next? About 1 week later, the pupa breaks open. Surprise! Out pops a little ladybug. What part of the life cycle does a pupa remind you of from the butterfly life cycle? There's another name for it. It's kind of that protective coating. You're right. In the butterfly life cycle, it's called a chrysalis. This is called a pupa. Very similar, but not exactly the same. An adult ladybug is about this size. That is smaller than the larva it came from. At first, the ladybug is soft and pale, but after a few hours, its shell gets hard and bright like this. Soon the ladybug is able to spread its wings and fly. Wow, at last it's all grown up. A ladybug flies onto a flower. I like that picture. Pretty cool. Looks like an airplane. Life cycle review. Day 1, a female ladybug lays her eggs. 5 days later, a larva is born and it grows and grows. 25 days later, a larva turns into a pupa. And 32 days, a pupa turns into a ladybug. Think about the butterfly life cycle. Is this life cycle longer in days or is it shorter? Ladybugs have a very interesting life cycle. Do you remember the 4 main steps? The life cycle of most ladybugs takes 4 to 6 weeks. grown up. There are more than 4,000 kinds of ladybugs in the world. Some are red with a few spots. Some are red with lots of spots. Some ladybugs are brown or gold. Some are even sunny yellow. I like that one. It's pretty. Which one's your favorite? Ladybugs have 0 to 24 spots. How many spots do these ones have? So you can count how many that one has, how many this one has, how many does this one have, that one, and that one. This one's hard to see because it looks like there's two. This one's kind of together. All right, did you guys count them all? All right. During the summer, ladybugs eat lots of aphids and small insects. Munch, munch. They want to have a full stomach for the long winter ahead. Why? Ladybugs eat the pollen of flowers too. A group of ladybugs hibernate. Many kinds of ladybugs hibernate. They gather in groups. Then they hide under leaves, rocks, or logs to sleep all winter. Can you think of any other animals that hibernate? It means sleep all winter. Lots of different animals hibernate. In spring, the ladybugs wake up and the females lay eggs. After that, the incredible ladybug life cycle starts all over again. Ladybugs are also called lady beetles and ladybirds. All right, this is our glossary, and at the end of nonfiction books, you usually find a glossary, and it's got all the important words that we learned about. So, antenna, aphid, beetle, fragile, hibernate, larva. Oh, this is larvae. Interesting. Larvae, pollen, and pupa. All right, you guys ready for the questions at the end? Can you name the 4 parts of the ladybug body? Can you retell the 4 main steps of the ladybug life cycle? Can you name 4 colors that ladybugs come in? And can you think of 4 words to describe a ladybug? All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed learning about ladybugs. You have a coloring page to do today where you're going to color the 4 stages of a ladybug. I hope you have fun.